all, I'm Khushbu along with my team members Junaid and Harsh, and we are Team GIF. And our design challenge was to showcase the investment functions and address few of the issues which SeaBank users are facing. So SeaBank is a digital banking application which simplifies and manage all the transactional financial activities 24/7. And now the users has felt the need to expand the service to the digital investment products, which gets very difficult to comprehend for the normal person. So here the users are unsure about the investment opportunities due to lack of knowledge. They are also unaware about the risk profile. That is, there would be the need of assessing the different users' risk profile to get higher returns, and finally to instill the trust in users for investing in digital platforms. So for this, we have used user-centric design framework, that is emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and after getting the feedback from the users, we have iterated through the same process again. Yeah.
Yeah. For getting the feedback and as well as for getting the changes to the app, user research and a secondary user research is been done to get the users need as per the requirement of the knowledge in the investment field. So the target audience is 18 plus till the ones who are aware of the investments. So we have taken their personal views about the investments, in how they can invest more and how they can get the knowledge more about the investment fields in which they are being lagging behind. We also created three personal user informations about they are from the three different fields: one student, one full-time trader, and one a businessman. So they have their each own views according to their investment forum. And after these reviews, we have taken some user pain points, which includes limited investment knowledge, afraid of losing money, taking risk, and understanding the risk assessment management, and don't know how to save the money. So after this, we have defined the problem as to implement some features and get users to learn about the investment patterns and to understand all the basic training according of the investment platform.
Yes, and then we have created the low fidelity prototype of after the defined stage, and then we have ideated solutions for it. This is the our information architecture, and this is our proposed designs. Let's just jump to the real prototype. So this is the home screen where the user will see short videos and popular stocks, and this is the daily news. And this is the market where a user can invest in any type of digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFTs, and he'll get sorted IT company stocks and US stocks. And we have proposed a learning section for the users for basically the new users to understand more about stocks. We have created a particular course, we can say, for each particular domain, and we have also created a design for taking the skill test to know the knowledge about particular domain and invest accordingly. And this is the portfolio section where user can get the analytics. This is for the particular companies, and this is the user goals that user can create and manage his risk profile according to his financial situation. So all the designs were made according to the user insights and users needs.